Friends, today we'll be starting with a new chapter, that is statistics. As you have studied in class 9th about the representation of the statistical data in form of, it was histogram, maybe a frequency polygon, and even you have learned about the method of finding mean, median, mode of ungrouped data. But in this chapter in class 10th, we will be studying about the different techniques for finding mean, median, mode of a grouped data. I'm saying it is a group data. You all are aware about the group data. That means it is not a raw data given there. It will be grouped, and how to find its mean, median and mode. And apart from that, we'll be talking about the cumulative frequency graph of the frequency distribution table there. So what we'll be studying here in this chapter about finding the mean, median, mode, which we have simple formulas, and it will be for a group data. Just recalling. So for that we are starting with the first topic is about mean. You all are familiar about the mean there, that what a mean is denoted by x bar. We know mean is nothing but sum of the observations divided by total number of observations. That is what the mean is. It is sum of the all observations divided by total number of observations. This is what is mean, and this is the notation for the mean x bar, right? In class 10th we have different techniques of finding mean, and the methods for finding mean are your direct method. The first one is your direct method, and second one is your, you can say there's a shortcut method also, but we are not talking about shortcut. I'm just talking directly about step deviation method. So normally we'll be talking about the direct method and the step deviation method, right? So what is there in the direct method? When the data is a group data, before that I'm just talking about the mean, which you have studied in lower classes. That is about the sum of the observation divided by number of observations. So I'm taking very simple questions directly. The very first question I'm writing, it is find mean of first 10, you can say, let us say, odd numbers. Now this is a knowledge question there, because finding the mean of first 10 odd numbers. So it is a knowledge question, because first we should know what an odd number is. And how many odd numbers are there? They are first 10. So number of observations are 10, but we should be clear about the odd numbers. So it's very simple there. We will be talking about the first 10 odd numbers. So what are the first 10 odd numbers? So I'm writing directly. The mean, we know it is equal to sum of the observation divided by number of observations. So the 10 observations, the first 10 odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, then 7, then 9, then 11, then 13, then 15, then 17, and of course the last one is 19 divided by 10, right? Although we will be in chapter arithmetic progression, we'll be talking about the sum of the n odd numbers also, but presently we're just going with the sum of these. How many odd numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 odd numbers. They are first 10 odd numbers. You can check your answer by adding these 10. It will be simply the answer of these first 10 odd numbers will be equal to 10 square divided by 10. That is coming out 100 divided by 10. So the mean is 10. Because we have a very important result, that sum of first n odd natural numbers. Remember that it is always equal to n square. You can verify your answer by just looking at this. Just go with the total of this, it is coming out 100. Right? If I say what is the sum of, if I say what is sum of first 3 odd natural numbers. See, I am written here first 3 odd natural numbers. That means 3 first. What is square of 3? That is 9 will be your answer. You can check what are the first 3 odd numbers. 1, then it is 3, and then it is 5. You can check your answer is coming out 9. That is square of the first 3. That is 3 square. If it is sum of first 7 odd natural numbers. So of course now it is very clear what will be sum of the first 7 odd numbers. It will be 7 square, which will be equal to 49. You can even verify, right? So this is what I have taken, one simple example which was there in class 9th also. Find the mean of first 10 odd number. This is a knowledge question, right? Now second I am talking about, suppose I say find mean of first n odd natural numbers. First n odd natural numbers. Now see the very simple question there. X bar is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to n odd natural numbers. Divided by how many odd numbers there are? N odd numbers, so divided by n. What was the formula for first sum of the first n odd natural numbers? We have written here the sum of first n odd natural numbers is equal to n square. So we know the sum will be n square divided by n, and therefore it comes out to be n. So therefore the mean of first n odd natural numbers comes out to be n, right? Similarly, we will be taking more questions on this. Suppose we write a question, find sum of first 5 even natural numbers. So therefore the answer is very simple. What is x bar equal to? First 5 even. Which are the even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8 and it is 10. They are the first 5 even numbers divided by how many numbers we have? 5. So that comes out to be 18 and 6, 24, 24 and 4, 28 and 2. It is 30 divided by 5. Therefore the mean comes out to be 6.